The Australian Taxation Office collects revenue through taxes and superannuation. This revenue is then used to fund vital public services such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure projects. These investments are essential for a healthy and thriving society. Digital records like invoices and bank feeds can automatically transfer into accounting software. This organizes your data, syncs your accounts, and reduces the risk of manual entry errors. The result is faster, more accurate bookkeeping. With ATO Online Services, businesses can easily manage their tax and super obligations. You can also lodge activity statements and forms securely online. It's a convenient way to stay on top of your responsibilities. When calculating taxes, it's important to report all gross income, including GST-free items. You'll also need to calculate GST collected from customers and any GST credit for business purchases. Finally, remember to account for tax withheld from employee wages. First, you need to sign and submit a declaration confirming the accuracy of your BAS. This declaration is legally binding before lodging. Then, get your payment reference number, or PRN, and pay. The PRN links your payment directly to your BAS record and is essential for matching.